Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some sunny skies across the region this morning. However, the winds have picked up the last hour or so. We are in a wind advisory. Likely to see that throughout the remainder of the work hours today. The winds will die down once we move into the evening hours for today. Overall, today will be a fairly chilly day in general with those winds. Temperatures only in the 40s. I feel like the lower 40s to the upper 30s today. So quite cold across the region, but fairly seasonable for this time of year. As far as our next chance of precipitation goes, looks like it's going to hold off until the weekend, and we'll have some fairly good weather, although it will be breezy at times through the rest of the work week. Our sounding from this morning, freezing low 2,100 feet, seeing our winds out of the northwest this morning and increasing with height, seeing winds near 80 knots at 20,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, looking at a area high pressure starting to build in from the southern states. We have a trough across the northeast states, and between those we do have some tighter pressure gradient across our region, giving us those breezy conditions today. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we do have a little bit of cloud cover off to our north. That cloud cover is going to try to move down towards the region for later today. But overall, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies for today. And taking a look at a little bit of snow cover across the northeast as well, mainly north of the Mason-Dixon line of Maryland and Pennsylvania, seeing that snow cover across that region from the snow that fell yesterday. Let's take a look at the European model. See here we have that high building in from the southeast states as well as from the Midwest for our Thursday morning. That's going to give us some light winds, general clear skies, and that's going to set up a good cold start to the day on Thursday with temperatures in the mid-20s across the peninsula. So moving to Thursday afternoon, we're going to see that high quickly shift offshore. We'll have a developing area low pressure across the Great Lakes. It's going to move north of our region for Thursday night into Friday. It's going to give us some breezy conditions late Thursday, as well as seeing some more cloud cover during that time period as well. Doesn't look like we'll see any showers from this front moving through for Thursday night and Friday. Just seeing those breezier conditions. Temperatures will actually rise during the evening on Thursday into the early overnight hours of Friday. And we'll see that cold front across the region. Once again, some breezy conditions behind that with a developing area of low pressure across the northeast states, giving us some breezy conditions for Friday morning. And for Friday afternoon, another quick area of high pressure moving over the region. We'll see some cooler air mass in the region across the area for Friday night into Saturday. We'll have another quickly developing area low pressure, and this area low pressure looks like it should be a little bit south of the region as of right now, and that's going to allow for those colder temperatures to stay in place. We should see some snowfall across the Mid-Atlantic region on Saturday morning. Right now for Wallops, looks like we'll be on that rain and snow line. So depending on how this low tracks and model runs coming up in the next few days, get a better idea of whether that low will be a little bit farther south, a little bit farther north in the forecast right now. So we'll continue to monitor this, but right now it doesn't look like any snow accumulations here at Wallops. The surface temperatures will be a little bit too warm, as well as that low track just a bit too close to the area. But we'll continue to monitor this. If this low does shift a little bit farther to the south, could be seeing some snowfall across the Wallops region. But those that live north of the area, especially across Wycomico County and north, could see a light accumulation of snow from the system on Saturday morning. As we move into Sunday, looking like we'll have area high pressure, a fairly large building in the region from the west. That's going to give us some cold temperatures on Sunday in general, as we still have some colder air mass overhead. And then Monday, we'll see that high starting to move off the coast. It's going to give us a start to a moderating trend for Monday and into early next week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see those winds gusting near 32 knots this morning, 31 knots this afternoon, sustained anywhere from about 13 to 18 knots, and possibly a little bit higher than that from time to time today. We'll see a high around 46 degrees today, a low tonight of 26, and light winds overnight, clear skies. That's going to allow us to see those temperatures bottom out. Our 24-hour terminal forecast can see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours, just some clouds around 5,000 to 6,000 feet today, and then a little bit of serious cloudiness moving in for tomorrow morning. Our tides are 1 foot above normal. looking at Thursday into Friday. Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy, with increasing southerly breezes by the evening. An evening high of 46 degrees. We'll see those winds gusting near 25 knots during the evening hours of Thursday. We'll actually see temperatures rise into the lower 50s as it looks right now. Thursday early overnight into Friday morning, with that cold front approaching. So going to see some warmer temperatures before that cold front moves through, and then temperatures will fall back into the 30s by Friday morning. We're expecting a low of 37 Thursday night with partly cloudy and breezy conditions. Once again, we'll see on Friday partly to mostly cloudy, breezy in the morning, a high of 47 degrees. So next 7 days, seeing those temperatures in the 40s from today through Sunday. As far as our highs go, coldest morning looks to be tomorrow morning, and then we'll see another cold morning on Sunday morning at 27. We'll see that 80% chance of precipitation on Friday night into Saturday morning, with the chance of some rain and snow showers Saturday morning. As of right now, as I mentioned, looks like that rain-snow line will be right around Wallops, so could be seeing that mixture of rain and snow across the area. And then for Monday and Tuesday, as I mentioned, we'll see a moderating trend to our temperatures, highs in the lower to mid-50s for Monday and Tuesday, with anywhere from mostly sunny skies on Monday to mostly cloudy skies on Tuesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. I'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.